Hi guys, I'm Lin and today we will learn Zulu. I don't know this language at all, so you will I will learn it with you. I think it's Sissy. It's like sister. Great job. Okay, Sissy. Sissy. Bhuti. I think it's Bhuti. Bhuti. As far as I can understand, H is mute. Ba. Sissy. Sister. Yebo. Yebo. Maybe it's hello. Hello. Great job. Yebo. Booty. Booty. Yebo booty. Great job. Sawubona. Maybe hello. Sawubona. 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 Great job. Sawubona Booty. Sawubona Booty. Sawubona Sisi. Sisi. Great job. See you next time. If you like this language, comment this video and I will make another video about this language. Okay, see you next time. Bye. Do you like Zulu or not? Great job. Bye bye.